welcome to Hawaii.
There's like 5 of us following them around for the day.
And a content creator.
So Mann's going to fly the drone from the groom's room. It's going to go out and come into this door. Alright ladies, let's get into position, sir. Oh! Oh shit! Hey boys, going to Hawaii. Two for the part because we're best friends.
We've got an hour 20 layover. Our flight's delayed, so we're cutting it short.
The Delta 3:55 p.m. flight.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
It's gonna have to be done, isn't it, right?
Alright.
No worries. Why do they always laugh when we ask for separate beds?
Bless, thank you.
Hi guys. Welcome to Hawaii. Hello.
How was the flight? Oh man, slightly stressful, but we got there in the end. What are we doing? It's 4:30. We got up at 4:30 a.m. I don't even know what day it is, let alone time zone.
What? Here we go.
This is gonna be it.
This is gonna be it. Down that way.
Okay.
Well done, drive.
This is our first sort of proper view of the island in the daylight now.
It's mad.
Happened?
Trod in poo-poo.
Trod in poo-poo at Makapu.
The irony.
Watch out for that 7-Eleven, yeah?
I'm not, but do you think that's not the first thing I'm driving to?
Yeah,
I
Told you I need my
just wanna
my
apologise.
Savage Slim Jim and a sugar-free Monster to start my day.
I just want to apologise to you.
Hello! Yeah! Hey, yeah?
He likes ears, so watch your ears. It's gonna at least be an hour. Yeah, so you'll have a lot of
Singing,
singing, a lot of
prayers.
school, like Catholic traditions, a few readings, and then of course blessings from the priest as well.
Bear in mind there's other photographers here who aren't part of our team, so I don't think we can just put a gimbal in the middle of all their shots. It might be a matter of tracking them in through here with a bit of movement.
Are you ready for it on the day though?
Definitely dropping the time off here. Look at that for framing.
Get the driver.
Bro, imagine going out and then coming into their preps. So starting the boys where it's harder to maneuver. Fly straight out the boys, then come up and in.
Our thing is, we just want to tell the real story, whatever it is. And part of the story is that there's like 5 of us following them around for the day.
And a content creator.
So we will often intentionally just include that part of the story, regardless of whether you guys have directed it or it's just happened organically. Like, we're just gonna shoot.
And honestly, it's too, like, we kind of get in the zone and forget that the world exists. So
Yeah.
just elbow us if we're in your way. Like, seriously.
We will be in
like,
your way unintentionally often,
yeah.
and we have no issue just nudging us, reminding us.
Yeah.
Likewise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy wedding day!
What's going to happen then? So mine's going to fly the drone from the groom's room. It's going to go out and circle and come into this door.
Everyone stay here, keep dancing until I tell you to stop, okay? Just stay here. No matter what happens, just stay here dancing. Yeah, we're ready.
It's going to happen now.
Okay. Right, ladies, let's get into position, sir. Oh, good lord. Where's the bottle? Where's the bottle? Yeah!
Your love has been the light that has guided me through the darkest of nights, the warmth that comforts me in the coldest of moments. In your arms, I have found my home.
Oftentimes I tell you, I love you more. What I mean is, I love you more than I did yesterday. I love you more than any fight we will have. I love you more than any obstacle that will try and come between us.
Just done the ceremony. Bride and groom are having a break at the moment, so we've got our batteries charged. As soon as they arrive, it's going to be one thing after another until the end. The only thing we haven't done is some bridal party stuff, so we need them all together in one shot. So we're going to have to push for that at sunset.
Oh my god, this is gonna look great. Go dance with him! Go dance with him!
Yes. That's a line though, Mann.
I'll set up a time lapse so you can get a drone ready if you want.
Yeah.
Protect the bride!
Oh my god!
Protect the gear!
It's just passing. That happens a lot in Hawaii.
I'm oddly disappointed. It's finished.
Start running.
I've got it.
No!
The bird! The bird!
This is it. Come on. Come on! On and do it! Oh! Oh shit!
Give you a hug.
I'll take you.
I feel like.
Thanks.
Damn.
I was trying to keep up with you so that I could keep like the sun just behind you. That's unreal. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Joshua, do you want to show us what happened, bud?
As we were coming out of the shore, I felt a stinging around my ankles. Turns out it was a Portuguese man of war.
Any excuse to get us to wee on you.
Just going through footage here, that hula dance was like something else could call Marty for suggesting we do
Check
that.
it, bro.
When thinking, remember how she did this dance towards the end of the night? But yeah, we start off with shots of just her on the beach. Think like your shot as well with the 85, the one with the hair blowing towards the land. And then she goes into her hula dance. We flick cinematic stuff throughout the dance, and when she gets to the end of the dance, we then cut to her doing the dance on her wedding day, and that's the highlight.
My dearest Sherilyn, I stand before you to declare my love and to receive the sacrament of matrimony.
Ever since you came into my life, you've helped me grow and improve as a person. You have shown me patience, kindness, and compassion, and experienced the feeling of being loved once more.
I want to do life with you, and that's it. I want to experience every single high and every single low and all the amazing joys in life. For this, I choose you, and I will always choose you.
Your love has been the light that has guided me through the darkest of nights, the warmth that comforts me in the coldest of moments. In your arms, I have found my home.
Oftentimes, I tell you, I love you more. What I mean is, I love you more than I did yesterday. I love you more than any fight we will have. I love you more than any obstacle that will try and come between us.
I can't wait to start forever with you.
I love you, always. That's cool.
Right, with those skills, Martin can fly a fighter jet.
They got it! It's like a movie. I know, seriously.
That was sick.
Thank you guys again for coming all the way to Hawaii to one of the biggest days of our lives.
It was really good. Try not to cry.
I want to watch it again.
Yeah.
Guys, it's been unreal.
Yes.
Unreal. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let us know when you guys get through security and when you're at your gate.
Thank you, will do. Bye bye, guys. We miss you.